Hello, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today, I will be giving you a review of Athens Backpackers in Athens, Greece. I'm staying in a 6-bed women dorm and for one night, it's $21. It was really easy to find my way here from the airport. I just took the metro. It was €9 and it's maybe 16 stops or something, and then they bring you right to the center depending on where you get off, and then it's just a 12-minute walk from there and then you'll arrive at the hostel. So when you check in, they give you the code to the door, you enter it in, and when you first arrive, you just hit this button. It is currently winter, January, so the rooftop is closed, but they do open it from 6 to 9, and they even have a happy hour where if you go, you get a free welcome shot. There's also a free breakfast in the morning, 8 to 10. Checkout is at 10:30. They do have luggage storage if you need, laundry, happy hour, and discounts if you go to at Bullseye Burger. That concludes the hostel tour. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you liked anything in this video, please give it a like, a share, a comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on my next adventure. Peace, love, and good vibes, y'all.